Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting Infinix ZERO 45G. This impressive piece of tech is not only packed with features, but is also surprisingly affordable, making it a fantastic choice for those who have a tight budget but still want top-notch performance. Whether you're blazing through the latest games or posting a 4K vlog to any platform, the Infinix ZERO 45G has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at this and remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest and greatest in tech. So, without wasting time, let's unbox. At first, you get the Infinix ZERO 45G itself. Aside from the Infinix 45G itself, you'll find a 45W power adapter, a Type-C USB cable, a protective cover that's compatible with wireless charging, and a screen protector, though you'll need to apply that screen protector yourself. Additionally, Infinix includes a pair of Type-C earphones. They're a bit on the scratchy side, but it's better than nothing. So, that's everything you get in the box, a nice bundle of extras. The Infinix ZERO 45G sticks to a tried and tested design, sporting a nearly 6.78-inch display, and this is a big display, but it can fit in the hands easily. The phone features minimal bezels around the display, which is curves around the edges without compromising sensitivity. The frame is made of glossy plastic, but it doesn't seem to attract too many fingerprints. And in hands, it's really feel a premium device, and it is. And Infinix collaboration with WGSN. And we have the Violet Garden color. Violet Garden is one of the 2025 WGSN trend colors, and it's also available in rock black or moving titanium colors. And I want to talk about the camera bump. It's slightly raised but doesn't wobble when placed on a desk. The Infinix ZERO 45G also has IP54 splash resistance, so it can handle a bit of moisture but avoid submerging it in water. And the main selling point of the phone is its camera. So firstly, let's talk about the camera. It's truly phenomenal and exceeds all expectations. Here's why. This phone boasts a staggering 108-megapixel primary sensor, setting a new standard in its class. But that's not all. It's also the only phone in its category with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, plus an additional 2-megapixel sensor. And for selfie enthusiasts, there's a 50-megapixel front camera that's bound to impress. The camera UI is packed with options to elevate your photography game. You have modes like video, AI cam, portrait, and super night mode at your fingertips. Plus, the More section includes a GoPro integration feature, perfect for vloggers who want to connect their GoPro. And the Infinix ZERO 45G is a vlogging phone, that's why you get a dedicated vlog modes: freestyle, leisure, portrait, travel, gathering, and action. It's very helpful for making vlogs. It shows you hints for how you can make a perfect vlog. It's a versatile tool that will take your vlogs to the next level. I'm genuinely impressed by the camera's performance. Just check out few camera samples that I shoot from this device. Let's talk video quality. This phone stands out as the only one in its class that supports 4K video stabilization. With its triple camera setup, you can shoot 4K 60 frames per second from both back and front. And also you can shoot at 4K 30 FPS with OIS and EIS at back, and 4K 30 FPS with EIS from front camera.
These two videos is shoot with Infinix ZERO 45G at 4K 60 FPS. You can see the quality of these videos.
According to me, this is the best camera. For all the vloggers out there asking for a smartphone that delivers in every vlogging scenario, look no further. This device has everything you need. On the software side, the Infinix ZERO 45G runs on XOS 14.5 with Android 14. Infinix promises updates to Android 15 and Android 16, along with 3 years of security patches updates. According to me, 2-year OS update with 3-year security is a good option. The phone features an in-display optical fingerprint sensor, which has been reliable so far, and it's able to unlock your phone fast, along with Face Unlock as an alternative. Sometimes Face Unlock is quick, but I recommend to use fingerprint for security. XOS offers a good deal of customization, including AI wallpaper generators. There's an always-on display feature, and in always-on display, you get so many options like exclusive series, personal customization, digital dial, analog, and information, which really have some cool animation like this. And you also get the usual features like game mode, in which you get 3 modes: power-saving mode, equilibrium mode, and performance mode, and it has some pre-installed bloatware. You'll find apps like Hey Gams and X Club, but no worries, you can easily uninstall them. The phone comes with either 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of storage, but there's no microSD card expansion. The Infinix ZERO 45G come with a spacious 6.78-inch FHD plus 144Hz
3D curved AMOLED display,
which provides crisp visuals. The screen is brighter than previous models, reaching up to 1,300 nits, so it's usable even in direct sunlight. And in display and brightness section, you get the eye care and high brightness mode, which increase the brightness in strong light. And in color style, you get 2 options, original color and bright colors. You can choose any options, and you also able to adjust the color temperature. The display supports a 144 Hz refresh rate. You can also change the refresh rate. You can choose to stay at 60 Hz, 120 Hz, or at 144 Hz, or you can just on the auto switch refresh rate, which is quite impressive. The audio setup is impressive, featuring stereo speakers fine-tuned by JBL. The sound is well balanced between the top and bottom speakers, with clear audio even at maximum volume. It doesn't get distorted and has support for high-resolution audio. The Infinix ZERO 45G is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, coupled with 12 GB of RAM with 12 GB expandable RAM. This combination delivers beast performance, making it suitable for gaming at high settings. Even demanding games like Asphalt Legends Unite and BGMI, you get the Ultra HDR with extreme frame rate options in BGMI. I continues play the game for about 40 minutes and I don't get any type of heating and lag issue. The phone packs a 5,000 mAh battery, offering about 5 hours of gaming time or around 8 hours of mixed usage, including camera, video, and audio streaming. It supports 45-watt wired fast charging, which able to charge to 60% in 25 minutes. Additionally, it supports 20-watt wireless charging and reverse wired charging, allowing you to charge accessories on the go. In summary, the Infinix ZERO 45G is a true vlogging phone with impressive performance and exceptional value for its price. It's definitely a strong competitor in its price range. So, that's all about this Infinix ZERO 45G. Let's share your thoughts on this device below, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Have a fantastic week ahead, everyone!